Hello and welcome back to the man's kitchen. It's been a hot minute, eh? Well, today I got a bag of chicken and we're gonna make some Parmesan. For ingredients, we've got eggs, flour, and milk, along with some breadcrumbs so we can bread our chicken. I got some homemade tomato sauce that we got out of the garden this summer. Salt, pepper, a little garlic salt. Now, this is an interesting choice. I've got guacamole dip seasoning. And the reason I grabbed this is because I was cleaning out the cupboard and the ingredients are onion, salt, red bell pepper, garlic, chilies, herbs, and spices. So this is basically what we're going to want anyways if we have to piece it all together. I do have some chili flakes for the sauce and some garlic powder, plus the chicken, and cheese is in the fridge. I'll get that after. So I'm butterflying open the chicken breasts using my boning knife. Just a vertical cut as you split it open, and then you can add a few more cuts to the center to kind of walk it open a bit. Second breast, same procedure, just cutting it open. I'd like to thank everybody for watching this video and coming back to the man's kitchen. It's been a bit since we've posted, I know, but I'm glad you're here now. After this, obviously, we're going through a breading station. I'm putting some salt and pepper into my flour and some garlic powder. Obviously, between cutting the chicken and setting this up, I washed my hands, and I put that guacamole seasoning into the breadcrumbs. So keeping one hand dry and one hand wet, I'm working the chicken breast from flour to egg to breadcrumb. And then, of course, I'm going to go wash my hands yet again. One thing I've found is I've switched from regular soap to foam soap, and I haven't had an eczema breakout in my hands in 3 years, so I'm happy. Now, in the first, I'm using my wok. I like my wok for this kind of stuff. Then I'm getting my chicken slightly oiled, and I'm throwing it in the air fryer because we're comparing a oven-baked chicken to a air-fried chicken. And we're seeing how much effort the difference is. You can see I've got my chicken golden brown on the outside, and I'm throwing it right into the oven. I'm just going to give the air-fried chicken a flip. And I'm going to stir up my sauce. I'm just stirring up some of the sauce that I got in my pot. Made it fresh out of the garden. I don't have any videos on that, but I took my Roma tomatoes and I roasted them with a beef bone in them, and then I boiled them down a little bit and pureed them. So the one out of the oven now, it feels pretty firm. Gonna give it another squeeze and a good look, and it was done. It was done. And the air fryer had also just beeped. So the one out of the air fryer, basically I wasn't sure what I should do, if I should sauce it on this tray or throw it right back in the air fryer. So first time, wasn't exactly sure, but what I ended up doing was throwing it right back into the air fryer. Then I'm going to take some sauce and I'm going to apply it to both chickens, like so, thusly and smartly. We're going to put some Parmesan cheese, and if you want to use real Parmesan or you want to use discount Parmesan, it doesn't matter. Now, you should use some mozzarella like I just showed, but I didn't want to. I wanted to use this cheddar mozzarella bacon blend because that's what I wanted to use. There's no judgment here. There's no right cheese, there's no wrong cheese. It's whatever you really want. And did I go back for more parm? I think I did. We put some more parm on the top. There you go. More Parmesan. Now, for even more work with the oven-baked one, We've got it crispy in a wok. We baked it in the oven. Now we're moving the oven rack up one notch with the broiler on so we can brown that cheese. And then we'll pull them out and taste them. Okay, so you can see we have the air fryer on the left and the pan-seared, oven-baked, broiler finished on the right. Now let's take a comparison and see. Okay. It's moist. It's good. Let's try the one out of the oven. There's not much of a difference. If you're going for time and convenience, the air fryer was easy. I just had to throw it in and flip it once. I thought there was going to be a big difference because that one had a nice crust on it when I shot it in the oven. But the final product, it's really not making a difference. They're both acceptable. I'd be happy to eat either one. So, in conclusion, thanks for coming back to The Man's Kitchen and following us to the end. We're going to be back here posting more videos more often, and we'll see you next time.